Good morning, good evening, knowledge seekers and executors. Today I'm going to talk about the extension of the web services. So far I talked about, in my last video I was talking about the deployment patterns and the further patterns which are part of the deployment pattern. I'm going to talk about the most important thing people mainly calling about blue-green deployment. So blue-green deployment patterns involves maintaining two independent environments known as blue and green environments. At any time, one environment is active, that is called blue, and serving live traffic, while the other environment, green, is inactive and ready to receive the updates. So that is what, whenever we do code deployments, like there will be a blue and green, the icon will be symboling. When we deploy it, like on your revisions, you can go and verify it. On your revisions, it will talk about the blue one, which is mainly actively taking the traffic, the green one adding up all the patches, and inactively taking the updates. The moment all the deployment completed, the green will be inactive and automatically the blue will be taking the latest code. So at any given time, one environment, blue is active. So when a new version of service is ready, it is deployed in the green environment. After testing and verification, traffic is switched from the blue to the green environment, make it in the active environment. Blue-green deployment enables seamless updates with minimal downtime and provides a rollback option if issues arises. So that was clearly understanding, right? Previously, which we talked about, over a decade before, when we want to do a deployment, we make it sure like we talk to the users and doing the deployments over the weekend, so that the impact of the users will be reduced, and we will mainly clearly letting the users as a downtime. So, and at least like that will be a 3 hours window or something. Now like it is just 3 minutes window, we will be completing all the patches and we do the deployment, and it's like a flawless issues. So that is what blue-green deployment will help. So again, I'll tell you like what that will do. So when a new version of a service is ready, it is deployed in the green environment. After testing and verification, traffic is switched from the blue to the green environment, make it as an active environment. Blue-green deployment enables seamless updates with minimal downtime and provides a rollback option if issues arises. So that is what it has. And the fifth one is canary release. Canary release pattern gradually rolls out a new version of service to a subset of user or traffic. This allows for validation of the new user's stability and performance before making it available to the entire user base. Canary release mitigate risk by monitoring metrics and users feedback during the rollout process. So the advantage of that one is like, before going to the main users, this particular canary release will be taken care of all the testing, like sanity testing and whatever the test cases or anything user is performing, all those things will be done. If in case, if it have any issues, automatically it will roll back. So the advantages is like, we won't impact the users because of the latest updates. We will thoroughly test it with that canary release patterns and get the feedback, make it sure we are not breaking the system with the latest updates. And the last one is A/B testing. The A/B testing patterns, it's kind of automation testing, provides a portion of user traffic to different version of a service to compare their performance, features, or user experience. This helps gather data-driven insights and make informed decisions about service improvements or new feature releases. So it's like automation testing where we do like there will be things which we have been used automation. It's not coming to my mind. Like I used a couple of automation testing, JMeter testing and all, load performance testing and all. So which will be helpful to look at the performance. So when we look at the performance, we will bump it up like all the requests, and make it sure our system is not breaking, and we'll see the tolerance, how much the tolerance, how much of the throughput, all those things we look at. That is what one of the A/B testing which will perform to make it sure the latest changes are not making down or like reducing the performance of your services. So all these design patterns provide various strategies for deploying microservices and managing their life cycle. The choice of deployment pattern depends on the factors such as scalability requirements, deployment complexity, operational overhead, and specific needs of the system being deployed. So it is common to combine multiple deployment patterns, address different aspects of deployment and management of the services. So as I said, like it's not only one pattern you can use it. You can use like combination of the patterns to deploy your services. Thank you for watching. I'm going to talk about more videos about these microservice design patterns in my next one. Thank you.